Good morning, class. Today I'm going to talk about social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence. Um, for social presence in my English 1101 and 1102 classes, especially the ones that I've been teaching online, I try to post a video every morning in which I discuss what it is students should be doing or what they should be thinking about that goes beyond the instructions that I've posted in Blackboard and in the Blackboard shell. Um, I also respond to questions that students have been posting to me, especially if there's more than one question on the same or similar topic. That allows me to have a way to speak to students that written text doesn't fully express, and the video gives me the opportunity to be present in their lives, to put a face and a tone of voice to my instructions and to my encouragement. I'll often do it from here, from right in front of my computer. But I also, last summer, for instance, I would do recordings out by in the backyard by a little waterfall that we have in the backyard. 4th of July, I posted a video in front of our American flag on the garage, etc. Just trying to give the students an idea of who I am and what I am. For teaching presence, I do videos that are instructional, the videos that I would do for class that didn't make any sense. Let me back up. For teaching presence, for instance, I will do a video on linking the in-text citation to the works cited citation and explain the significance and the relationship between the two, and how the in-text citation leads to the works cited citation, and why you need to follow the rules in order for your citations to work. I think it's really important for students to be able to do that, whether they're using MLA, APA, or something else. The basics are all the same, and I go over the basics. I don't harp on the minutia because most of my students aren't English majors, but citations need to work, and I make that very clear. For the cognitive presence, what I do with students in my face-to-face classes is when I have class discussions, we don't have a class discussion where I ask a question or I call on somebody and one student talks to me and everybody else looks at their phones. I use the discussion board in Blackboard, and I will set up a discussion board with 3 or 4 open-ended questions about things that I want students to be thinking about from the readings, and then we'll be in class and all students will be responding to all those posts and also responding to each other. And I am participating in the class discussion virtually as well. So I'm in there responding to students as they're responding to each other. And what I like about this kind of class discussion, actually, even though it's in the classroom, it's very quiet and there's multiple conversations going on, and students who aren't predisposed to speak up in class have a voice, as opposed to the one extrovert or 2 extroverts in the class. And that seems to work very well for me. Thank you for listening. I hope to see you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.